legendary Devout. Let's make it happen. Get over there. All right. Bring in our tune. Put him on hold. Put your Devon over here so that he'll distract those that are attacking. Move your Darkstorm down just a hair. It's good right there, far enough. Now bring in Harbinger to clear out the 2 bunkers. It's a little bit slow because I would like to go over here and clear out this other side over there, but when I bring the Harbinger in, I cannot bring my Jericho in. So we'll just slow down. Hopefully, we'll have about 3 minutes left when we clean the base out. It's not real fast, but it works for me. There we go. Let's get the other bunker. Hey, here. Focus on what I tell you to shoot. This bunker takes more shots. You've got 3 more shots before that bunker's done. So it's just hurry up and wait, and then slowly advance, and we'll be done. 1 more shot always has 1 red bar. All right. Send him away. Bring in Jericho. Jericho, get over here. Ignore them. I know you want to shoot them. Ignore them. There's a little guy right back. No. Right there. Kill him as soon as you can. Okay. Now let's go clean the back out. Those guys will fight over there, and basically it'll just keep a whole lot of nothing. Take out the anti-air. Come on. You're bogging down on me. Take out the orbital, whatever you call it. All right, he's gone. Take out the CC and we'll go to the other side. All right, bring Jericho back in. Put him right there, put him on hold, and now we start the slow advance. Bring the Devon in so that they'll attack him. All right, now let them go. Now we got to go back over here. No. Oh, you screwed that whole thing up. You didn't deselect them. All right. We got to take out these tune-producing depots. All right, take out the other tune producing depot. All right. We screwed up a little bit by having them move, but we'll survive. Put him on hold. Now, we got to creep down and kill this. That's good right there. Good enough. Bring my support guys down. That's good enough. Let's take out these guys. And then we'll take this guy out. All right. All right, got rid of that. All right. Good enough. We're going to advance just a little bit. Keep moving them forward. Good enough. Bring Dev down so that they attack him and don't attack us. Come on, Dev. That's good right there. Got to take out some of this over here. All right. No, can't do it yet. Get him inside the... There you go. You're dead. Now let's get rid of the air. Get rid of the anti-air so it doesn't kill your Proteus. There you go. Our next one will advance a little bit more. Kill these guys and we'll move down. Just get these guys just in the shadow and then pause. All right, get these guys just in the shadow. That's far enough. Bring your support tune down. Good enough. Get Dev to move down a little bit. Draw the fire. Once these guys are dead, we'll move down a little bit. Just get them in the shadow. Bring your support tune down. Bring Dev down a little. Whoa, 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 whoa. So what happens when you mess up? You have accidents. Get Dev down there. Good enough. Right there is good. All right, now we got to get rid of this anti-air over here. I can't do it yet. Got to draw these guys in. Draw these guys in so I can get rid of that air. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Okay, kill them. Get this guy to come in. Come on, get over here. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. All right, now we got to go down here and get rid of the air. Oh, time is flying. Taking longer than normal. It's all right. Longer than normal is okay. We still have time. All right, right there. Come down a little bit. Get him in the shadow. Good enough right there. Bring Dev down so that they're interested in chasing after him. Bait him in. That's it. Come on. Come on. Chase me. Chase me. Come on. Chase me. Come on. Get in there. All right. Kill these guys out. All right. Put him on hold. Next thing, we're going to bring Dev in, and Dev's going to distract these two turrets, two bunkers. Pop. No, 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 no. Wrong one. Dev. Come on, Dev, get down here. Got to get them both in the shadow. Oh, the DS took a little damage. Okay, that's it. We're done. Put them on Ruby, and they'll clear the base. And Darkstorm got a little bit of damage, not much. But it'll give you some idea of how you can do it. And I'll probably get nothing because I've done several, and all I get is thorium. All right, in 1 minute, I can show you how much damage we got. Show the platoons. Darkstorm. Lightbringer. Come on. Guess you'll have to wait till they get back because it doesn't like to keep them open. As soon as they get back, I can show you what we got for damage. How much time? 14 seconds. All right. 30 minutes of repair, but let's see how much time we really have. 8 minutes. See, really, we don't have instant. You're done. Eight minutes repair there, and Darkstorm has 22 minutes. So it'll give you some idea. Darkstorm took some damage, doesn't normally. Anyways, you don't take much. Go, do it.